Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting right now. First, confirm you're the teacher for the class. Only teachers can archive, then delete. Next, open Classroom. Google, com, and click the class card you want to remove. Once inside, make sure to open Settings from the gear icon in the top right so you can locate the archive option. This is required. Also check Enrolled Students and Attachments. You'll want any essential files saved before moving on, because archiving locks the class for future deletion steps. Now archive the class. Click the 3 dots on the class card or use Settings and choose Archive. Once done, make sure to export important data. Download Drive folders, save grade history, and backup attachments. These are not automatically retained after deletion. Also, if you need a colleague to keep records, add them before deleting so they can copy materials. Take a moment to verify the class status reads archived. This is the immediate prerequisite before the final deletion step. Finish by navigating to Archived Classes, select the specific class, then choose Delete Permanently. You'll be prompted to confirm, read that warning and confirm if you're sure, because deletion is irreversible. Once deleted, materials tied only to the class may be gone, so double-check backups first. If you don't see delete, you may lack permission or your Google Workspace admin has disabled deletion. In that case, contact your admin or verify you're signed in with the teacher account, and then
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.